What's up everyone? So right now I'm going out of Laysen Valley and I'm actually heading to Sharafiyah. So okay, it says no exit from here. I think yeah, we'll have to find the exit. No worries, we shall do that. Let's see what do we have over here. Now I'll have to put on my sunshades. Today the weather is getting good here in Riyadh. You see the clouds and everything. It just looks so fascinating. I hope there's an exit from here. Or are we gonna run around in circles? Let's see. Let us see. Oh, there's no actually exit from up ahead, so we will have to turn back, but we need a place to turn. There it says visitors parking. Okay, we'll go back to the parking again and then we will find an exit. This seems to be the exit, but I'll have to come over to that side. No worries, no worries, we will make it. The weather is pretty cool here in Riyadh today. Okay, yes, there's an exit towards this side. The one that we saw. Okay, that's good. We'll keep to this lane. We'll use our card. Okay, it says license plate is being checked. Assalamu alaikum. Kaifa sabi? Okay. Shukran. Allah Yusalamuk. So the guy helped us with the ticket. Now we are on the Aruba branch road. Aruba road. Here we are. Can we find an exit from the Aruba road? Oh yeah, there's a U-turn up ahead. We can take that. That one. And it just opened as we arrived, so that is good. But seems like it's gonna close as we near it. Come on, let us go. Perfect. So now we keep to the inside. The weather is pretty light today. It became slight bit cloudy as well. It was captivating, honestly. And now check out the scenes over here. From this U-turn I have actually some memories, you can say. A couple of times on my way to, actually one time on my way to Makkah Road, there was a lot of traffic and it took maybe half an hour to just cross this distance that actually I just crossed in a breeze. So this end of the bridge and a U-turn sort of thing, that actually took a lot of time and I had to depart for Makkah. So Laysen Valley is on my left. Just came from there. It's an interesting place, honestly. Now I will take the next exit. That is amazing. Right now we are driving this Changan Eado 2025 in eco mode. It's pretty light on the car itself. We are on this King Khalid road right now. Let's slow down a bit before we reach the traffic light. Who knows, it might turn green. Even on eco mode, this car is a beast. By the way, we have a leash on this beast, don't worry. We are following the speed limit and everything. Again, it's red light up ahead. Let's just slow down. They have a lot of cameras on this road. Let's just slow down. Who knows, it might turn green in a few seconds. No? Come on, I slowed it a lot. Okay, so there's the other side that has to go as well. So after that, we will get our turn. Everyone will get their turn on the traffic signal, so it's green. Another red light up ahead. A lot of red lights. A lot of traffic lights. And it turned green as well. By By the way, we are breezing through this road. There's almost no traffic. Only we are out and about. What's this sorcery? Can I take a right over from here to go into Sharafiyah? Let's see. I think I should be able to do that. Inshallah. Oh yes. في طريق من هنا. So well, our ride is going to end. That's gonna be pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the scenes of the basement of Laysen Valley and also the King Khalid Road. And it's time to part ways. Thank you so much. We'll see each other in another video. Stay blessed. See you all.